Welcome back to the channel. It's a favorite girl here this series, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 effective brightening body oils you can incorporate to your skincare routine if you want to brighten and even out your skin tone. You guys already know that we are gradually getting into the dry season, and this is the right time for you to get a body oil for your skin. A good body oil plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy, glowy skin. Good body oil is going to help to restore and strengthen your skin natural barriers. It's also going to help to improve your skin tone, nourish and protect your skin, because most of all these oils, they contain antioxidants and vitamins that is going to help to strengthen your skin elasticity and prevent aging. So now, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first body oil I'm going to be talking about today is the Easy to Glowy body oil. Hope you all can see it. So this particular oil, just as the name implies, it says easy to. This is not the body oil that you're going to be expecting to start seeing results immediately. This particular body oil is very nice. Like, it is very good. It works gradually. It's going to help to hydrate, nourish and moisturize your skin, giving you that glowy and shiny skin. You can't go wrong making use of this particular oil because it nourishes and moisturizes your skin instantly. Let me just show you guys how this body oil works. Like, you can never go wrong making use of this particular body oil. So after applying this body oil, you're going to see that your skin, your palm is going to be looking like kind of that of baby bum, because it's going to help to soften your skin instantly. As you all can see, leave your skin shiny. So that is one thing I like about this particular body oil, and as well, it also has a nice fragrance. You guys, this particular oil is a moisturizing body oil and not a bleaching body oil. So if you're expecting this particular body oil to bleach your skin or to lighten your skin, it's not going to do that. Instead, it's going to help to brighten and nourish your skin. It's going to help to moisturize your skin, giving you that soft and shiny effect after usage. I love the way it absorbs into the skin. It is non-sticky, like it does not stick to the skin after applying, as you can see. And this particular oil is going to leave your skin shiny and glowy. So with 6,500 naira to 7,000 naira, you can get this particular body oil. So if you can afford it, go ahead and buy it. This body oil is amazing. Like, it is very good. It is very good, and you can actually use it on its own without making use of a body lotion. That is to tell you how effective this body oil is. It's going to leave your skin so smooth, so shiny, that people will be asking you, what cream are you using? So for those of you that does not like making use of body lotions on your skin, this is a nice one you can incorporate into your skincare routine this dry season. One sweetest thing about this particular body oil is the fact that it can be used by all skin types. A dry skin person can use it, an oily skin person can use it, a combination skin person can use it, a sensitive skin person can use it. It does not discriminate, because the ingredients used in the formulation of this particular Easy Tone body oil is not that harsh, so anybody can use it. So bear in mind that this is not a bleaching body oil, but instead it's going to brighten and nourish your skin. So guys, the next body oil on my list is the Vitamin C body oil gel. The Vitamin C body oil gel. I know this particular body oil shouldn't be new to a lot of you, because this body oil has been trending all over. You guys, this particular body oil, it has a very sweet smell, and it moisturizes the skin very well. If you're a dry skin person looking for an affordable body oil to use on your skin, incorporate to your skincare routine, you're going to love this, because it is extremely moisturizes. It moisturizes the skin very well. Guys, if you have a very dry and extremely rough skin, and you're looking for a good body oil to incorporate to your skincare routine, everything about this particular body oil is just so right, because it contains all the necessary ingredients needed to keep your skin healthy and glowing. Body oil is going to make your skin to pop, like it's going to make your skin to be looking so kind of shiny and juicy. Yes, this particular Vitamin C body oil gel is very good. And there again, this particular body oil is going to be suitable for all skin type: a dry skin person, an oily skin person, sensitive skin person, combination skin person can make use of this particular body oil. And if you want to achieve that soft glowy skin, like if you want your skin to start looking like that of a baby's bum bum, go get yourself this particular body oil and start incorporating it to your skincare routine. Do you want to keep your skin soft and moisturized? Go get yourself this particular body oil. Do you want to transition from a bleached skin to regain back your natural skin tone? Go get yourself this particular body oil. Or have you used a bleaching product in the past and you want to regain back your natural color? Go get yourself this particular body oil. It's going to help to repair your skin. So guys, if you know you have used this particular body oil in the past or currently you are making use of this particular body oil, please drop a comment in the comment section. What are your review? What do you think about this particular Vitamin C body gel oil? So the price range of this particular body oil is just 3,500 naira to 4,000 naira. You can get this particular body oil, and one amazing thing about this oil is the fact that it is affordable. It does not discriminate, and it can be used just it alone, even without the use of your body lotion. You guys, the next body oil on my list is the Vaseline Vitamin B3 body oil. This particular body oil is very nice. It's an amazing body oil if you want to brighten and glow your skin. If you're looking for a very good body oil to incorporate to your skincare routine, this right here is a very nice one. You can try out. It's going to help to brighten and glow your skin. Like this particular body oil contains a potent active ingredient, which is the vitamin B3, and vitamin B3, which is the niacinamide, has been known as a potent active ingredient used in skincare production. Niacinamide is a natural skin brightening ingredient used in the formulation of skincare products. So niacinamide contained in this particular body oil is going to help to brighten, elevate, and smoothen your skin, giving you that radiant complexion. So you can find this particular body oil at your local market or your supermarket, and it is being sold at the price of 10,000 naira to 10,500 naira, depending on your location and where you're getting it from. So just know that this particular body oil is very good, and it is going to help to brighten and nourish your skin. Okay, guys, the next body oil, which is the fourth body oil on my list today, is this one here. This is the Collagen natural body oil. Hope you all can see it. Particular body oil contains collagen as its main potent or active ingredient used in the formulation of this particular body oil. And as we all know that collagen has been known to promote a healthy, youthful looking skin. So if you're someone above 25 upward, you need to start incorporating collagen into your skincare routine. It's going to help your skin to retain its elasticity. This particular body oil also contains vitamin E, which is going to help to firm and hydrate a sluggish skin. Body oil is going to help to lock in moisture within weeks, and you're going to start noticing that your skin is getting soft and smoother within days of using. So this particular body oil, it is essential for anybody within the age of 25 upward. Your body needs collagen. If you're not taking a supplement that contain collagen, you need to start incorporating oils that contain collagen to your skincare routine. This particular body oil is going to help to restore your skin elasticity and tightness of the skin. So with 2,500 naira to 3,000 naira, you can get this particular collagen body oil by the company. Or by the last but not the least, which is the 5th body oil I'm going to be recommending on today's video, is the Coco body oil. If you're a caramel skin girl or a dark skin girl and you're looking for a good body oil to incorporate to your skincare routine that's going to give you that rich, glowy, juicy skin, then go get yourself this particular body oil, the Coco body oil. Go get yourself this particular body oil and start incorporating to your skincare routine. You guys, this Coco body oil is an amazing body oil for dark skin girls, caramel skin. This particular body oil for a caramel skin and a dark skin girls is going to help to glow your skin. It's going to glow up your skin, giving you this shiny skin tone. And because this particular body oil contains cocoa butter and shea butter as its main active or potent ingredient, so it's going to be very, very suitable for dark skin girls or caramel skin girls. That's so good. I've seen a lot of people making use of this particular body oil and their skin is really amazing. Like their skin is always looking so shiny, thick and juicy. Guys, make sure you get one out of these 5 body oils I just listed on this video and start incorporating it to your skincare routine this period, because we are gradually entering the dry season and you won't like a situation whereby your skin will be looking so freaky and dry. So my loves, I've come to the end of today's video on the 5 best effective brightening body oils you can incorporate to your skincare routine this dry season, this year 2024. Guys, that is all for now, and I've come to the end of today's video, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please, if you did enjoy this particular video, do well to give it a huge thumbs up and like. Not just that, comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe. If you're yet to subscribe, please just hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel to support this small channel. I promise to always give out my best on skincare tips. I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.